Hello student, good morning. And here today I will teach you how we can teach you today's that's and how an important observation that a fractions p by q is a terminating decimal only when the prime factors of q are 2 and 5 only. 2 and q are 5 only. So each one of the fractions 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 2 by 10 and 13 by 25 is a terminating decimal since the denominator of each has no prime factors other than the 2 and the 5s. Here with the help of some example we will try to understand that which is terminating and how we will calculate without actual division. We have to find which of the following decimal numbers is terminating decimal number. Suppose that we are going to without doing the actual division. Without doing actual division, how will we calculate that the rational number is terminating or non-terminating? Rational number is terminating or non-terminating. Suppose that we are going to take the example. Here is the example 5 by 32. First example we have taken here 5 by 32. Here is this is 5 is numerator and 32 is denominator. As an example we have already know that which is the real and which is terminating, and all important that which is terminated without doing the actual divisions. How we will calculate that it's a terminating or non-terminating? So which numbers which has other than 2 and 5, so prime factors of the two denominator of each number each has no prime factor other than 2 and 5s. Denominator here is nominator is equal to 32. So 32 can be divided 2, then again multiply divide by 2, we will take 16, then again 2, we will take 8, do 2 again 2 4 ja and 2 again, we can say that's 2 ja and 2 again 1. This is a prime factorizations of 32. And also if you suppose that we are taking a prime factorizations of 2, it is the prime factorization of 2 or not 5s. So 2 is the prime factorization of 32. So it's we can say that it's not no other than the 2 and 5. So it would be a so we can say that it would be a terminating or non-terminating. So here is this number is terminating decimal census. So we can write here 5 by 32 can be written here in 2 to the power 2. It is the factor of 2. So we can say that it is factor of 2. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 32 is equal to always be 2 to the power 5, and so we can say this number is terminating decimal number. So termination is depend upon the only the denominator. So we have to calculate that no prime factors other than the 2 and 5. So we can say it is terminating. So got it? So suppose that we are going to take another example here. With the help of example we will try to understand that which is terminating and which is non-terminating decimal expansions. So we can say that denominator here is that is 11 upon 24. Another example second. So we have taken the second example 11 upon 24. Here is 11 by 24. Denominator written here denominator is 24. Have you got it? Denominator is here 24. So we will calculate that 24 is 2 to the power 3 and suppose that we take the LCM 24 2 12 2 6 2 and 3, and 3 can calculate by 1. So 24 can be written 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 multiply 3. So 24 can be 2 to the power 3 multiply 3 to the power 1. So we can say that it is terminating. Thus the 24 has a prime factor 3 which is other than 2 and 5. So 24 is the prime factor of 3 which is the 2 and 5s, sorry, more than 2 and 5s, more than 2 and 5s. So it is, we can say that it is not a terminating decimal expenses. So it is not a terminating decimal expenses. We can write here, it is not a terminating decimal expenses. It is not a terminating decimal expenses. Got it? So here is the example. Suppose that we are going to take the another example 27 upon 18. Yes. With the help of the third example, we will try to understand that the terminating decimal expenses, how we will calculate without doing the actual division methods. Example, let's have example 3. Third example here, we will take here 27 upon 18. 27 by 18, 18 or 18, not 80, 80. So denominator is 80, 80. We will take the prime factorization, do the prime factorizations of 80 to 40, then again to 20, then again to 10, then again to 5s, and then again to 5 on the 5s. So 80 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5s. So here we will write 80 can be written into to the power 4 multiply 5 to the power 1. We can say that this rational numbers, thus that 80 has no prime factor other than, thus 80 has no prime factors other than 2 and 5. So it is terminating rational number. It is terminating rational numbers. So here we have studied a lot. That's how we will calculate without doing the actual division. So how we will know that without doing the actual division methods, so we can observe that which is terminating, which is non-terminating on the basis of the taking the prime factorizations of the any denominators of prime numbers or any denominator of the given rational numbers. Take the denominator, first of choose the denominator and do the prime factorization of denominator, write in form of the exponent and the power. So we will see that if the numbers is in a 2 to the power any numbers and the 2 exponent of 5 exponent or 5 power any numbers is given here, then we can say this number is always be prime factors not other than the 2 and 5. So it would be the terminating decimal expansions. And suppose that we are taking the numbers and it does not takes does not give the 2 and 5 factors other than, and if it taking the more than the 2 other numbers more than the 2 and 5, so we say that it would be a non-terminating. On the basis of this this procedures and step by steps we can solve the related questions, and know that we learn the new skills and developed it, and by the means of the practice when day in day outs, and the different example with the help of the on the basis of the different example we will practice is more, and it will insert in our minds and never be forgotten. So this is the my process, and in my process you will generally know that which way you can understand that which is terminating decimal extensions, which is non-terminating decimal extensions, and you will accurately know one by one and step by steps. I am trying my best to understood all students, those who is related to this class and class 9th, and try to understand that without doing the actual division methods how we will calculate that, and say that with these rational numbers have a terminating or non-terminating decimal numbers. If you don't understand that what is terminating decimal numbers, non-terminating decimal numbers, recurring, non-recurring decimal, repeating, non-repeating decimal numbers, so we will try it my best to understood you in differences between these two pairs of the given terms, and finally we will also give such types of the tricks, and I will give you such types of the tricks on the basis of that you will know and understand that which is the best and which is would be better, and I will remove all the problem doubts related to it, and insert such tricks and methods by means of which you will do accurately and keep all information right way, never forget and recall it again soon with the help of the minute tricks. So I have a such types of the methods, and I have done a lot of work on this step by steps doing the formula, and some step by steps doing the all the calculations related to the mathematics. So don't forget likes, comments, subscribes, and share, and follow my channels if you on the Facebook and YouTube also, and other applications, so that I can make you more and more attractive video and give you the better performance chance to performance in your academic coming examinations, and aggregate more and more marks, and you will achieve the success in your lives. Thank you very much to coming on my channels. I am very much grateful to you that you all have choose my channels and subscribe it. So thank you, thanks a lot, good boy, bye bye.